Hello, my dear friends. I would like to welcome my subscribers, viewers to my channel Akambrio. So we shall be continuing again our phonetic lessons. Today our episode will be fourth episode. So we will be continuing on. Ang nirepeng rangko, ang ni-subscribe ka parangko, aro ni swing ka pasakanti ko ang arbitsak sunak ta kusyong biya. Anting ni English phonetic lesson ko anting taalo abating ang tagen. Panigaman ang beberaan at simang sakantian adi tadi yako ni swin bana skira inganin bana nga kadunginga. Anting hay continue ka ang na. Let's begin our lessons. We have completed this first row L1, first video, and then second L2, L3. Anting ni lesson nari ibana anting ya skang pa ro ko matsotaha kini ke pa ko ba matsotaha katam ko pa ko ba matsotaha. Today we will be concentrating on this L4. In L4 ya L4 ro chongmatan lesson break ba o anting ya ko cover ka again oi au ch and here we can see ch and k K yako nagtama ninga yako anting talo cover ka again. As I have already written here, one comparison between s and sh. Yano anting nagtama again. Yano s kusinga ro yano yako de sh ni aga nagtama again. This one is sha and then this one is s. Yako anting now compare ka again. Let's read on this one. First, number one, cell. Here we are using only S. Yano anting S mamang kusa kalinga. And then in phonetic, here we are using this one, sha, sha. Cell and shell. Sin and shin, shin. And then self and shelf, sheep and sheep, safe and shape, sign and shine. Here normal spelling and phonetic spelling is also here, so we can learn both the spelling. Seal and shield. Likewise, and again sing porena kita mangin semang ode. We can differentiate this one anting yako and again anting ya s aro sh ni gaman anting differentiate ka nagataman gen yano de pangnan sha lekin bana gamat nagatanangay no de lekisan banggijasan gamat nagatanangay anting dao next unari ang na. Let's come to next. We will be learning two diphthong sound. We are taking oi and ow. Let's read on. Normal spelling is here and phonetic spelling is also here. Yano normal spelling or phonetic spelling rang donga anting yachi niato de anting yako nagtaman gen. Yana anting oi sound ko anting yano nagtaman ninga. Yako pangnan yako nekang ode pangnan yako masibo. Yako nekang ode jadi oi nigam gapa yako masi raong ode yako nak simang madeki gamata ko masina nagtaman nai gen. Anting porang na. Yano boy nin bana kaninga boy, you know, here also boy, toy and toy, choice, choice. This one we haven't learned, so we will be learning today. This one is in place of ch. This one anting talo yako anting skira again yako yani kaman anting skira again. Let's read on. Noise, noise, toils, toils, coins, coins, coil, coil, boil, boil. Gamakan apsanaya. Same, almost same with the normal and phonetic spelling. Let's read on this second diphthong sound. How, how. When you find this one, you have to remember this one is ow. ow sound. Now, now, bow, bow, doubt, doubt, down, down, found, found, mouse, mouse. Indaki anjing porai na kata mangen yenode anjing namin ning rabia unigaman mamang ning ani dongja unigaman anjing high next una riang kana. Let's come to consonant sound. Here we can see this one, T and sha. So in phonetic, whenever you find this ch, they are always writing T and sha. That means in between cha and sha, they are always using like this. Ya, jen salona simang ya T aro sha ko neka onode pangnan ya ko masibujok ya ch ni palo jakhalinga. Diba anjing ni gamat tarang de tik tak onge gamat na kata manjenga. Diba anjing ch ko pangnan cha nin bana gamatan diba bisong de cha nin bana gamatcha diba sha de kemna bisong gamatronga. Hai anjing niang ini na ya sha sha sharp bisong de sharp nagi gamat ken diba anjing de chap nin bana gamata ya ko sharp nin bana bisong de gamata de kemna anjing ya ko nagi gamat na kata man again sharp yano f tong so ngani kaman f ni gamani ko ban jing jakal na kata nangen. Chair, here chair, r is little bit r sound is missing, so I'm not pronouncing this r sound. Angaya r ko di bang gamat sa inga. Chair and then chalk anjing ya ko nak taman gen ya ko banu pangchakin ban anjing are ko chalk ni gamata ya gamat kenchim ode anjing di ko de chalk ni gamat kenchim ndiba yanu pangchakin ban anjing ara gamatenga chalk nin bana anjing ara gamat skainga. Child ya ko ban anjing banu pangchake child ni gamata anjing yanu gamat kenchim ode chill de ni sa gamai kenchim ndiba yanu anjing nak taman gen yanu pangchakin bana. Basing on this, we are pronouncing child, child, and then choice. And the kemana anjing gamat nagtaman again. Nowadays, anjing yanu nagtaman again. I have written here ch, sometime change to k. Ya ch donggen ngomong ba. Even if you find this ch, sometime they are changing to k sound. Anjing niang ini na. Say, for example, here, if we are following like this ch, it will be chemical, but they have changed it to chemical, chemical, and then chloroform, chloroform, according to this ch, but they have changed to here chloroform, 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 and then here also. Chorus, and then they have changed it to chorus. Christian, and then Christian. Not Christian, but Christian. Chronic, chronic, but here they have changed to chronic. Yan deke anjing change kanirang ko anjing ya may ba ko phonetic symbol ko weekend chimong odi ya ko anjing change kanina ko manching masinagata mangen. If you know the symbol and the sound of phonetic, you will be able to catch the sound also. And like manching tik tak tak keja arkang nagata mangen. Hanching ya word rang kwanching yang ini na. Hanching ya no nagata mangen. I would like to correct ahead of this one 2 syllable. I want to correct this one. Angaya ko 2 syllable but 3 syllable na suknas kang bang ayako correct sunak tas kenga manderang yako skang pa singnak taman gen sing yano tiktak amat ken sem ode restaurant nin banaga maya andiba real phonetic spelling kita amat ken sem ode restaurant nin banaga matan singni hotel rangko aro dokan cha dokan rangko sing restaurant in bagamatan di ba inode exact spelling de aro sound de restaurant nin bana kama deken bana Next una bana, let's come to next. Memoirs bana siya. We can find here memoirs, but real pronunciation is memoir. R is not sounding here. Yano memoir. Anin bana naknagtaman again. Wani gaman yako jar ko mangba na simang ko mamundat kiba kandem kanade man jawa diba na tik-tak takigamat na darang ni kandem kani ko manggiza kamat na ska ngodi na ayako jar naktaman again memoir nin bana. Yano reservoirs nin bana siya diba real spelling out of sounding reservoir nin bana gama reservoir nin bana gama. Hi ya ko tini ja khalong ngapa every day we are using this water. Some people are using water, especially American pronunciation water, but British pronunciation in IPA they are using water. Water nin bana bisonga mata leken bana yano ba warning nin bana mandirang kana people used to say warning, but this one is warning, warn. If I add this ing, that means it will come warning. Wash, W-A-S, not wash, but it is wash. This one also people used to say war, but in real sound and real spelling and pronunciation is war. War between Iran and Iraq, war between Iran and Israel, like that. Here also, if we follow this CH, it is chaos, but they have changed it to K, that's why it came chaos. And they can bana ching porayak nagataman get sumang udi J kun English mandirang native English ni bana kana English mande jian English ko aga ningat sim mandirang ko native English speaker ni bana kana ya mandirang ni agana ni kun tik tak taki jarak nagata mangen uni gaman hayan ching na midikis kira angna anga adita salana ya ko upload ka gijudon tonga han diba nga dao continue ka ang thainga de kemana ching gisnang skill angna ya lockdown matung ni suman rango anching gisnang skill ana gapan ko dakna sumairang apchangket kata daka ba mai dakna kata chungjan diba anching yarang ko anching skill angna nigeman subscribe hagman rang ko nga matel na kata kusyong biya na simangko deken bana tao subscribe ana kata sing parang ko banga na simangko ramchak suwa na simang na ya skill anio patiani kon China iso sa kantina pati China matela